My name is JJ. I'm the camp director at Indiana Lake Christian Camp, and I wanted to give you a couple of tips about packing for summer camp. So if you can see, we have a bed here. It's a twin size mattress, so you can bring a twin fitted sheet and a light blanket. Your kids can bring a stuffed animal, something fun that they like. They can get sheets at Walmart if you don't have twin size sheets. A fitted sheet's like $5. So if you want, go get something special for your kids. This is one thing that your kid could pack in. They could just bring it with all their stuff. And let me tell you that Ziplocs are gonna be your friend. You can actually label each Ziploc for the day of the week, put the outfit in there, shorts, t-shirts, underwear, and stuff that they're gonna wear each day of the week. So we'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you'll actually have another bag with warm clothes. Just in case at night, if it gets cold out, they have long pants to wear to the campfire or a long sleeve shirt to throw on if it's chilly in the mornings. So this gives you a lot of room. You want to pack in your washcloth and your Bible. So those are a couple of things that your kids would love to have. And if your kid likes to carry stuff with them, having a drawstring bag that they can put their water bottle in, possibly their Bible, and carry around during the day, that's a really good idea. And I cannot stress enough, parents, to label everything. If this was your kids' pack for the week, please make sure their name's on it. Maybe you and your son or daughter can decorate it. But when you pack it and bring all this stuff to camp, you can just use it at the end of the day as a nightstand. So they can have a special book or some markers in there and something to do while they're in cabin time. So that is one idea for packing.